So the first city I visited was Nizhny Novgorod. This is a city in central Russia. It is the capital of the Nizhny Novgorod region. Until 1990, the city was called Gorky, in honor of the great Russian writer Maxim Gorky. Now the locals prefer to call their favorite city simply Nizhny. Nizhny Novgorod is included in the 15 cities with a million in Russia and ranks 6th with a population of 1,250 million people. The history of the city begins in 1221. This year Nizhny Novgorod is 800 years old, so the city is being prepared for the holiday and many main objects are being renovated. I have chosen not quite the right time to arrive. However, let's take a look at what can be seen. Nizhny Novgorod stands at the confluence of two rivers, Oka and Volga. This place is called Strelka. It separates the Oka and the Volga. Strelka used to be a port for cargo ships. It is very easy to distinguish between the waters of the Oka and Volga. The Oka water is more turbid, and the Volga is cleaner and much wider. Oka in turn divides the city into two parts, lower and upper. All sides and the center are located in the upper part of the city. The lower part is more industrial. There are 4 bridges in the city: Kanavinsky, Metromost, Malitovsky and Myzinsky. Despite the large number of destroyed buildings, Nizhny Novgorod really has something to see. Chkalovskaya staircase, which consists of 560 steps, at the moment it is under restoration. The Nizhny Novgorod Kremlin. It is the center of the city. Now it's under restoration too. Nizhny Novgorod Fair, where the largest fair of the Russian Empire used to be located. Cable way that connects Nizhny Novgorod and the city of Bor. Football stadium of international class Nizhny Novgorod. 6 matches were held here in the framework of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Большая Покровская Street, the main pedestrian street of the city. Нижневолжская набережная, or embankment. Not so long ago it became a favorite place for the townspeople. There are a lot of churches in Nizhny, and they really attract the eye. For example, Благовещенский Monastery, Рождественская церковь, or church, Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, which is located just on the Strelka. Nizhny Novgorod is also called the capital of sunsets. Especially in summer, everyone tries to catch the sunset over the Strelka. and enjoy different colors that are almost never repeated. Of course, I didn't have time to visit all the interesting and beautiful places of Nizhny. Besides, many objects are being renovated for the 800th anniversary of the city. The main festivities will take place on the 21st of August. Of course, Nizhny Novgorod has something to see and it is worth a visit. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.